All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Bloktopia, okay, BLOK/USDT pair, and I am looking on TradingView, okay? So this is a free platform. I recommend it to anyone, getting into trading and just wanting to learn some charting. TradingView has a really good free platform, okay? Um, so right now, just giving you guys an update. We have the Fibonacci's drawn up, okay? If you want to learn how to draw the Fibonacci's and kind of just understand them real quickly, okay, I have a video in the top right corner. You can click on that and that will show you how to do the Fibonacci's, okay? So in essence, what we have is we have our swing lows and our swing highs right here. All right, and I told you guys that this yellow circle would probably be a good buy zone in my last video for a a long-term position. Okay, I think Bloktopia is going to be has the potential to be really huge in the future. Okay, right now it's mostly speculation, but their project is very interesting and the people behind them. Okay, so what's happening right now is we came back down and we bounced right here around the golden pocket one time. Okay, the golden pocket is for block right now is 0.068 to 0.062. So we bounced to right around there at 0.07. Okay, and we're coming back down. We're currently at 0.075. So I wouldn't mind if you get some positions here, okay, but I wouldn't advise going heavy. Okay, this thing is currently in a downtrend. It's looking for some support, so look for it to find support in the golden pocket. Okay, and then if we break below the golden pocket right around like 62.0625, and we go below there, then we may drop all the way down to 0.038. But this coin just started. It can always go lower than the original token price, and this is just on TradingView when it was available to trade. I'm not sure the exact date, but they have the chart here to October 6th, and the low is 0.0000296. All right, so things always can reverse. It can go back down. But if you are bullish on this, I would look to start accumulating slowly some long-term positions. Okay. Maybe you want to put $1,000 in right now. I would put in 100, maybe 250. Okay. Like 10 to 25% of what you want to get in on your new investment for like long-term on Bloktopia. I would look at, slowly starting to accumulate that. And, if we fall lower, okay, add another 10, 20% and wait to invest anything else to see if we bounce off the golden pocket. Okay, if we bounce off the golden pocket, and we show signs of bullishness, you can add to your position because now it's not falling anymore. So you got some skin in the game. Okay, it recovered, and then you waited for it to recover, and once probably we break this resistance level at 0.089, you can add to your position and take profit along the way up, or as I said, just keep a long-term position and just buy the dips. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Again, click the video right here to the right. Okay, if you guys want a tutorial on the Fibonacci's, and if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where we trade stock, crypto, and options every day, and you can get our daily intraday thought process on the market, and as well as the other resources. The link to join will be in the description.